Hello, Amanda.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Eating breakfast.
What was your breakfast?
An omelet, sausage, berries, baked oatmeal, and more berries.
And juice?
And juice.
Grape juice?
No, cranberry juice.
Oh, good. It is a nice morning. It's brisk, but the view is nice. Just got some sandwiches. Time to play with bubbles.
Go for a drive in the car, thinking how we've come so far. Oh, 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 got a long way to go. Will we ever weather the storm? We're cold, and will we ever get warm? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
We're on our first hike of the trip.
Yeah, hiking, trip,
Vacation.
leaves.
Where are we going to?
This is Duke's
Falls.
Duke's Falls? I don't know, Waterfalls, I can hear it. Listen, can you hear it? Maybe, maybe not.
I'm pulling a Victoria. Filming my feet walking. That's what Victoria always does. Hi, Victoria. Bye, Victoria.
Never had enough money to pay the rent. And if we ever got lucky, we would spend every last cent.
Where are you?
I'm at the bottom of a waterfall. Duke's waterfall.
You like it?
I do. It's very pretty.
Are you hungry?
I am. Because we have really delicious smelling sandwiches in our bag.
We'll see if they're delicious tasting. Oh, okay. That sounds good. There's some more waterfalls. This bread smells heavenly. Oh, so good. Look at it in all its glory. One thing about taking trips, you have to decide whether you want to just enjoy the trip or if you're going to get committed with taking pictures. And there are a couple levels of how committed you are.
I was thinking the exact same thing when we were up there.
We're kind of on the side of we are committed to just taking a ton of pictures. So we just turn out to be the people who don't look to be any fun because it's like, oh, we're here. Let's whip out our phones. Oh, we're here. Let's take out our cameras. And I don't really like it when people do that, but you know,
I think it's
sometimes
all balance.
you got to take a balance of I actually, like, we want to make a video. Whoa, sun flare. We want to make a video and take pictures, so you got to do it.
Yep.
Here's a transition. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Amanda and I are like walking along, and then she's like, "Stop. That's a pretty leaf." And then we stop and take a picture of a pretty leaf. There's the pretty leaf. After that last statement about the leaves, this is not like 5 minutes later. And we got all these leaves. Amanda's probably gonna find some more. Here we go. We can't have a dog right now, so Amanda will keep some leaves instead. So this is the goal, to get up there, Mount Yonah. We're gonna hike a lot. What does it say, Amanda? Oh, okay. I guess that means good cell reception.
Please note that your cell phone may not work in some areas due to tower location and terrain.
Oh. But still dial 911. What? There's a rock. Let's climb it. I have climbed Mount Yona. Ooh. Ooh. Please refer to Amanda's video for what I just did.
I took a photo, not a video.
Here we are. We're still going up. Is it a lot of hiking?
It's just a lot of mountains.
But it'll be worth it. I would say we're probably like 2/3 of the way up. I may be wrong.
I'd like to go down on the record as saying I am out of shape and we will have hiked only 4 miles today. And that's a lot of hiking for Amanda. I'm very weak.
One day that we did our best to keep the dream alive, to keep the dream alive.
Here we go. Wow. Cool though. Imagine.
I would like to note that that overlook we just stopped at, that you just saw, that we thought was the end, we just passed someone who says he likes to call that halfway.
It might not actually be halfway, like maybe more than halfway, but maybe it is literally halfway.
I'm out of shape.
Amanda, you know why you're out here? It's because it's not easy. It's not easy at all. And you know why you're out here? It's because you're the best of the best. That's you. You, Amanda. Yes. Don't you forget it. So keep on marching. Only 400 more feet of altitude change. March on to Zion. We're marching to Zion. Doo doo. Beautiful, beautiful Zion. That's what the road to Zion looks like. It's a hard upward climb. It's not easy. But you know what? It's not supposed to be an easy path. But you gotta stick to it. You gotta endure. And you'll make it. Not by your power though. Whew, you need some extra power. And although in this illusion the power is by God's power, we also like to use trail mix while we're coming up here. It gives extra calories. And it's good. And tasty.
I'm definitely drinking soda when we get back.
Says the girl with the Twinkies hat on. Ooh, a leaf. Look, it's fall.
It's your hat.
To keep the dream alive, to keep the dream alive, to keep the dream alive, just live today, to keep the dream alive. Why don't we just live today? Tomorrow's too far away. Yeah. We want our daughters to say one day that we did our best to keep the dream alive. To keep
Amanda, was it worth it climbing all the way up here?
I'd say it was worth it.
I mean, look at this view. This is an amazing view. You wanna know something though? That right there, that's where our car is. Say hello. Hello. Good job. How you feel, Amanda?
Tired,
Yeah?
honestly. My legs are really tired.
Did you think that you could make it when we first started?
When we first started, yes. When we got a little higher, I was like, when we got to the overlook, I was like, yes, we made it, and we did. We did make it that 1 mile loop, but we didn't make it to the top. And that rest of the way, it was like I will make it, but it hurts.
it's worth it though, right?